Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my Hobonichi Weeks leather in silver white, and we'll be using that today for today's plan with me. This is the ink that I'll be using today, and this is quite new. This is from 𝒗𝒊𝒅𝒐, and that is a brand that I have loved for quite a while. And this bottle is for 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but this is a brown, no shimmer, no shine, just a reliable brown ink, which is what I'm after. And today we will be going through my Hobonichi Weeks. That is my health planner or wellness planner. So this is what it looks like, and if you'd like to see how I set it up, I will link that video down below. And this is this week. We'll be setting up for the next week, but I wanted to show you how to find the layout that works for you. And it's really trial and error. And I'll show you how I found the layout that works for me in my wellness planner, which has been a struggle to find a good layout that I can work with. So this is the beginning of the layout that I am using, and it starts with the left page being a mini journal as well as a mini checklist, and on the right page I have started doing trackers. Now this isn't very different from what I usually do, but I had decided to go ahead and use it more consistently. So for the next week, it looks a little bit similar with the focus up top as well as the health trackers on the right page. But then I decided to just make this planner as a wellness planner. And wellness is both health and mental health, so physical health. And on the right side, I have decided to track the things that contributes to my wellness, including sleep trackers. And after that week, I decided to redo the same thing, but this time I am tracking favorite things on the left page. Not tracking per se, but to write it down in a mini journal type. And I have that giant habit tracker as well as the sleep tracker. And on the next week, I was not feeling very well, so I was unable to complete the spread, but it had started very well with the same layout. And this is the most successful page so far. I really love how this turned out with the use of stickers. That's just actually 2 pieces of stickers. And I think that really works to have a little bit of decoration every time I accomplish a spread, like a little reward. So unfortunately, the next week didn't quite work because I decided to go ahead and change the layout, but I really missed the layout I had been doing for the past few weeks. So in the next week, I went ahead and gone back to that layout with a sleep tracker, an enhanced sleep tracker this time, and a little bit of notes about what I'm tracking. But I decided that that's too much work actually for the time that I allot for this planner. So I went back to just tracking my habits, activities, and sleep, as well as mini journaling. And that has worked so far. I am very happy with this layout, so I think I'll be sticking with this until maybe the end of the year. And now we're gonna go ahead and flip to the next week, a fresh new page for us to play with. So I will only be filling out the right page because the left page is for journaling at the end of day. You know how there are morning pages? I'm not very good with the morning pages, but I feel very satisfied when I have a little bit of journaling, just mini or micro journaling at the end of day. And the space for the Hobonichi Weeks are every day or every daily little section on the left page is enough. So that is my sleep tracker, and now we're moving on to my activities tracker. First, I have a set of health trackers. So this is going to track things that contribute to my health, physical health, including vitamins all the way to skincare and hair care. Next, I have my activities for the day. I have my focus or work, a little bit of play, a little bit of watching YouTube or Netflix, reading, YouTube work, and journaling. But I also have some special weekly activity, and that is date night and just going out, maybe with friends or by myself. And I'm just closing off that tracker because right next to it I have another tracker, and this separate tracker is my moods and general health. So I don't have an excessive mood tracker. I don't feel like I need it right now. So I only have healthy, poorly for health, physical health, and then 3 moods: happy, stressed, and sad. And I am finishing that off, and that is now all of the trackers complete. And I'm not gonna add anything for my pre-planning because I usually do that when the week starts. And that is the page complete, ready for next week. And now let's go back to the current week when I'm filming this, and I'll show you how I use this spread. So I have my fountain pen ready, and I'm using fountain pens to fill in the information, but for the pre-planned information I used my 𝒗𝒊𝒅𝒆𝒐 clip in 0.3 in black. And here I'm writing down my sleep, waking up time and sleeping time. I feel like more than sleep hours, it's what really contributes to my general mood when I'm sleeping and when I'm waking up. And this is last week's page, and this is the page that we just completed, and there's barely any difference. So let's go ahead and see what we have done. So this one is for mini journaling, which I accomplished at the end of day. And then I also have sleep tracking and habit and mood tracking on the right page. And that is the pages complete for my wellness tracking or wellness planner. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.